Hi dear students, in this session we are going to study about mirror equation. So mirror equations, that the expression relating distance of the object u and we have to take distance of the image, which is nothing but v, and focal length, which is nothing but we have to represent that f, focal length. So these two related, the expressions spherical mirror is called, that is mirror equations. We have to write this expression 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, or 1 by v plus 1 by u, anyhow. So this is called mirror equations. So the relation between the distance of the object u, distance of the image v, focal length f. Already as we know that what is f and u, v. So f க்கும் u க்கும் v க்கும் உள்ள relation தான் நமக்கு mirror equation. Now second one, 6.4.4, linear magnification. So linear magnification, which is nothing but, so ஒரு object இப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா அதோட magnifications. So lateral magnification or linear magnifications. Now that linear magnification, the magnification produced by a spherical mirror gives how many times the image of object is magnified with respect to object size. So என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, how many times the image of object magnified with respect to object size. So இப்போ object size விட நமக்கு image size எவ்வளோ டைம்ஸ் வந்து நமக்கு மேக்னிஃபைடா இருக்கு அப்படின்றத ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்றது தான் that is linear magnification. For example, we have to consider the mirror. So that is a concave mirror, and this is principal axis, and we can keep the object here. So O word as object. So the ray parallel to the principal axis, it will get reflected to the principal focus. And at the same time, second one is the ray through the principal focus, it will get reflected to the principal focus, and here we can get the images. For example, we can take the two rays. One வந்து நமக்கு parallel to the principal axis, and the ray travel through the focus. Focusல இருந்து இப்படி travel ஆகும்போது, so நமக்கு principal focusக்கு parallel-ஆ reflect ஆகும். Okay? So here நம்ம இந்த ரெண்டு ரேயும் intersect ஆகிற பாயிண்ட் வந்து நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னா, we have get the image I dash. So I dash, இங்கே O as object. So இந்த இதில் வந்து நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா, here object, height of the object, that is height, and image ஓட height வந்து we have to take that is object, and that is this is image, or we can take this is h1 and this is h2. So we can take this is image, இங்கே வந்து கீழே image ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். For example, sorry, this is image, this is object. So how we can write the magnification, the ratio of height of the image and height of the object. So the relation between the height of the image and the height of the object. So it can be defined as ratio of height of the image and height of the object, h0. So hi by h0. The magnification can be related to object distance and image distance. We can say this. And one more thing, object we can keep upright, so that is positive, and that is downward, that is negative. So we can take in that minus hi divided by h0. So image of the height of the image and height of the object, we can put minus, because in downward that is negative. And one more thing, here we can relate to this object distance and the image distance. So object distance u and the image distance v. So we can write v minus u. So what is image? That is v. Here u. So we can take in this is the pole. So pole இருந்து இது வந்து நமக்கு image distance. So image distance, that is minus, object distance, that is plus. So therefore we can write these formula for magnification. So magnification can be defined, can be related to object distance and image distance. Okay ma? Can you able to understand? And that sign convention we are using this for real image, negative sign, for real image negative sign, for virtual image that is positive sign. So virtual image that is positive, real image negative. So as we know that auto form that real and virtual image everything. So is that magnification of this? So the ratio of this height of the image and height of the object. So I think this mirror diagram book itself not given, but you have to understand easily. So now we are going to discuss one problem. Book example problem. Problem number 1. Find the size, nature and the position of the image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter. Object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. So object distance object distance 15 centimeter from a concave mirror of a focal length 10 centimeter. So object distance they given and focal length and object size 1 centimeter. Now we are going to find out that size of the image and the nature of the image and the position of the image in given concave mirror. So object distance we can take u is equal to minus 15 centimeter because of the concave mirror to the left of the mirror. Mirror oda left side irukradhanaala nama 15 cm edukrom and the image distance da nama find out pannom. So size of the distance of image distance v enna find out pannom and the focal length they given, that is also minus 10 centimeter because concave mirror. This is also the left side of the mirror only. Concave mirror focal length we have to take 10 centimeter. And using the mirror formula, we have to write the equation 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Therefore, 1 by v only we are going to find out and plus 1 by minus 15. So plus minus will come that minus only. So 1 by v minus 1 by 15, that is focal length minus 10. So minus 10 only. So we can change this here. We can change and write 1 by v minus 1 by 15, this side will come in, so that is plus. So minus 1 by 10 and plus 1 by 15. So we can take minus 1 and therefore we can take LCM 10 into 10 15, that 30 will come. So 30 and next we have to take this minus 3 plus 2. So 3 10s are 30 and 2 15s are 30. So minus 2 minus 3 plus 2 divided by 30. What is the answer? Minus 1 divided by 30. So 1 by v. So therefore v is equal to, we can take minus 30 centimeter. V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Thus the image distance minus 30 centimeter. So negative sign indicates, this is negative sign. In this negative sign indicates the image on the left side of this mirror. So object also left side of the mirror and minus sign, negative sign indicates that left side of the mirror. So image distance. Now we know that u and v. So uv we know means easily we have to find the size of the image. We have calculate the magnification. So magnification, we can write this m is equal to minus v by u. So therefore minus, what is the v? V, which is nothing but minus 30, and u, they given u is equal to minus 15 centimeter. So here we can write minus 15. So therefore minus minus plus, and here will come minus 2. So the magnification will come minus 2. Magnification minus 2. We know that already magnification, height of the image divided by height of the object. So height of the image divided by height of the object. So we can take m is equal to image height h2 divided by h1 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, h2 divided by h1. Already they given object, height of the object h1 is equal to h1 1 centimeter. Here height of the object 1 centimeter they given. Okay, so here h2 divided by h1. Now we are going to substitute the m mode of magnification. What is the value of magnification? Minus 2. And what is the h2? Height of the image only we are going to find out. Okay, and divided by h1 1. So therefore h2, which is nothing but, that is also minus 2 centimeter. Okay, so therefore h2, which is nothing but minus 2 centimeter. So this is h2. The height of the image is 2 centimeter. That here also negative sign shows that image is formed below the principal axis. So as we know that minus term will come means below the principal axis. This is principal axis, below the principal axis, and here image distance also, this is image distance of the image, that is also minus. So in that position of this image in front of the mirror, since that the image in front of the mirror real and inverted, this is real image and inverted. So that is the nature of the image. So everything you have to write according to mirror equation formula. We have to find out easily object or image distance or focal length anyhow, and height of the object we need to find out, magnification. So these related to problem you have to solve, and numerical problems also, book back numerical problems also you have to solve. Now we are going to discuss another one problem, problem number 2. An object 2 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 16 centimeter from a concave mirror which produce a real image 3 centimeter height. Find the position of image. So now we are going to find out the position of image, and they given data, object distance u is equal to 16 centimeter. This is concave left to the mirror, and we have to put minus sign. U is equal to minus 16 centimeter, and the height of the object h1 2 centimeter, the object or height. Then height of the real image they given minus 3 centimeter. அப்போ நமக்கு image எங்க form ஆகும், and what is the image? So distance of the image v and then find out. So h1 h2 they given. So we know that magnification, which is nothing but h2 divided by h1. So what is h2? Minus 3, and what is h1? 2. So therefore 1 2s are 2 and 5 2s are 10. So 1.5. So minus 1.5. Here minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 centimeter. Sorry. No unit will come for magnification. Then second one is magnification, which is nothing but minus v by u. That another one formula. So what is the v? V here v only we need to find out. So here magnification minus 1.5 is equal to minus v divided by u minus 16 centimeter, and minus minus will come plus, and therefore here V, which is nothing but minus 1.5 into 16. So therefore we have to find out this value. V is equal to 16 15, which is nothing but 30 0, and here 8 will come, so 6, and so therefore 0 and 4 here will come to, so 24.0 centimeter, and we have to write 24 centimeter, and here minus 1.5 into 16. So therefore the answer will come minus. So the value V is equal to minus 24. So image distance. At the same time, here negative sign indicates, so the negative sign indicates that position of the image is 20 centimeter in front of the mirror. Negative sign indicates that image is on left side of this mirror. So image left side of the mirror. Okay. Again we have to revise magnification attribute by H1, and another one formula you have to substitute. What that given value you have to substitute in the formula. Find out image distance and size of the image, and where that image are found, position of the image. That's it. Again, this is related to numerical problems, and some other problems also you have to solve and practice. So keep watching.